All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing another delivery video. Today we just pulled up to the customer's crib. Already did the writing portion. I'm finna go and get all of the delivery out the back. Alright, so now I gotta find I'm on the chill side, so B3. So B1, 2, 3. So listen up. Button on the side. Boom. First joint. Guys, this is a different perspective, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see what I'm doing. Anyway, right now I'm tired as hell. I have not slept in like almost a whole day. But hey, work gotta get done. I gotta take care of my family. What's up? Alright, what I was trying to explain to you guys is that the red totes are refrigerated. The red totes are refrigerated and the blue totes are frozen. So I have to get a blue tote. It says frozen right there. I have to get a blue tote, and I have to pick the one with the green circle. That one in the middle. Green circle. Green circle. Green circle. Right. Get the one with the green circle. Boom. Pull that one out. When you hear that noise, that's when you know that you got the right tote. All right, now close these. Guys, it's real life raining out here. Guys, that was just some light. You guys saw that. That was light. And that's it. That was the delivery. Whew. But anyway, that was the delivery I just did. Gotta cash it out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.